Since 2000, Diablo Wheels has been more than a name. It's been a feeling, that pause when you pull up, the glance in the mirror, the moment the whole block knows what kind of time you're on. From LA to New York, Houston to Miami, even deep in Japan, Diablo never chased trends. We built the road they drive on. We defined the era of the 30s and 32s. We still reign on 24s and 26s. Diablo didn't chase trends. Diablo set them. From one-of-one custom builds to trucks on 32s and game-changing innovations, real presence has no genre. Celebrity status, high-end lifestyle, anything with presence, all stamped with one name. Diablo isn't just design, it's engineering that proves it. More U.S. utility patents than any other wheel brand. From the Reflection to Elite, from Turbine to Magneto, we turned imagination into motion. Because attention is cheap, but authority is built. Diablo Wheels, 2.5 decades later, still the boldest name in luxury, always on top, never just along for the ride.